Hello, you are welcome back to Coach Me on Diction and Etiquette with Coach Glory. Hello, amazing scholars. So we want to continue on our letter sounds. We stopped on letter A to letter I. So today we're proceeding on letters from letter J to letter R. Letter J to letter R. Now we go on. Letter J sounds J. Letter J sounds J. Letter K sounds K. It's almost the same sound. It's the same sound with letter C. Letter K sounds K. Letter L sounds Letter L sounds Letter M sounds Letter M sounds Letter N sounds Letter O sounds Letter O sounds Letter P sounds Letter P sounds Letter Q sounds Letter Q sounds Letter R sounds R. Letter S sounds S. Letter S sounds S. Okay, I think we are supposed to stop on letter R, not letter S. I beg your pardon, so I check it again. Letter J sounds J. Letter K sounds K. Letter L sounds L. Letter M sounds Letter N sounds Letter O sounds O. Letter P sounds P. Letter Q sounds Q. Letter R sounds R. We stop at letter R for this video. So we take word samples for letter J to letter R. Letter J sounds J, as in jackets. J, as in jackets. Letter K sounds K, as in kangaroo. K, as in kangaroo. Letter L sounds as in ladder. As in ladder. Letter M sounds as in mouth. As in mouth. Letter N sounds as in nest. As in nest. Letter O sounds O, as in orange. O, as in orange. Letter P sounds as in purse. As in purse. Letter Q sounds as in queen. As in queen. Letter R sounds R, as in road. R, as in road. Okay, so we want to quickly make sentences with the word samples for letter J to letter R. We are giving word samples, making sentences, I beg your pardon, with our word samples. The first letter we treated is letter J. And we said letter J sounds J, as in jackets. Sentence size. The man wore a pink jacket. Ouch. No. Let's change that sentence. The man wore a gray jacket. Amazing. The man wore a gray jacket. Now let's take the next one on letter K. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. There are lots of kangaroo in Australia. There are lots of kangaroos in Australia. The next one is letter L. Ladder. Ladder. He borrowed the ladder from the man. He borrowed the ladder from the man. The next one is on letter M. Letter M sounds as in mouth. The boy said to the girl to keep her mouth shut because she talks a lot. So keep your mouth shut. Okay. Actually, you shouldn't be rude to one another. You should not say that to anyone that is trying to express themselves. Okay, but if someone is not paying attention and they're not being polite, you can actually say, could you please keep quiet? All right, that's much better. All right, we proceed to the next one, letter N. As in nurse. As in nurse. The nurse is very friendly. The nurse is very friendly. The next one is letter O. Letter O sounds orange. Orange. She drank the orange juice. She drank the orange juice. She drank the orange juice. The next one is letter P. Purse. Purse. She has a pink purse. She has a pink purse. She has a pink purse. The next one is letter Q. The queen. The queen wears a crown every time. The queen wears a crown every time. The next one is R. Letter R sounds R. Road. That road leads to my school. That road leads to my school. That road leads to my school. All right. I bet you've learned some new words today. Please ensure you remember to practice often and speak with your diction. Quickly, let me give you words on the marble. You don't say, they have taken the lights, but you say there is power outage. There is power outage. You don't say, up napper, but rather you say there is power supply. There is power supply. So I hope you've learned something new today. I'll see you in the other video. Thank you. Please remember to always speak with your diction. See you in the other video. Thank you. I love you.